Hello students, I am teaching you a poem of honeycomb. Poem name is Chibi. Chibi means to nag or to continuously urge someone to do something, often in an ordinary way. In this poem, when Michael was a 5-year-old, Michael, the poet of this poem, 5-year-old, his mother took him to a nearby school for admission. The teacher asked, "What does your mother call you at home, child?" Then the child didn't have a confident answer. He replied, Michael, don't. उसके पास कोई कॉन्फिडेंट आंसर नहीं था और इसलिए माइकल ने कहा मेरा नाम माइकल डोंट है. नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द पोएम. ग्रोन अप्स से थिंग्स लाइक स्पीक अप, डोंट टॉक विद योर माउथ फुल, डोंट स्टेयर, डोंट पॉइंट, डोंट पिक योर नोज. ग्रोन अप्स मीन्स एल्डरली पर्सन्स. Speak up means speak loudly. Mouthful means when something is filled in your mouth. Stare means looked fixedly. Now understand these lines. Grown-ups say things like this. Speak up. Grown-ups बोलते हैं जोर से बोलो. Don't talk with your mouth full. When your mouth is full, then you shouldn't talk. Don't stare. You shouldn't look fixedly. घूर घूर करके मत देखो. Don't point. संकेत मत करो. Don't pick your nose up. अपनी नाक में उंगली मत डालो. Next lines. Sit up. Say please. Less noise. Shut the door behind you. Don't drag your feet. Haven't you got a hanky? Take your hands out of your pockets. Less noise means don't make a noise. Drag means to push or pull. Now see. Sit up. ठीक से बैठो. Say please. कृपया बोलो. Less noise. कम शोर करो. Shut the door behind you. अपने पीछे दरवाजा बंद करो. Don't drag your feet. अपने पैर दबाकर मत चलो. Haven't you got a hanky? क्या तुम्हारे पास हैंकी नहीं है? Take your hands out of your pockets. अपने पॉकेट से हैंड्स को बाहर निकालो. In these lines, poet says, say please. When we are supposed to say please, when somebody gives us something, we should say thank you or please. When you ask something, you say please. Less noise. Don't make a noise. Shut the door behind you. As soon as you go, you should shut the door. Don't drag your feet. Don't bark with your feet rubbing. Don't you have a hanky? You must take your hands out of your pocket. Now next, pull your socks up, stand up straight, say thank you, don't interrupt, no one thinks you are funny, take your elbows off the table. Interrupt means to talk in the middle. You pull your socks up. अपने socks को up side में खींचे. Stand straight. खड़े होएं. Don't bend. मतलब झुके नहीं. Say thank you. धन्यवाद बोलें. Don't interrupt. When elder persons are talking, you shouldn't interrupt. No one thinks you are funny. No, कोई भी नहीं सोचता कि आप हास्यास्पद हैं. टेक योर एल्बोज ऑफ द टेबल. अपनी एल्बोज को टेबल से हटाएं. कांट यू मेक योर ओन माइंड अबाउट एनीथिंग. क्या किसी चीज के बारे में अपना ठीक से मन नहीं बना सकते? नाउ दिस इज पोएम ऑफ माइकल रोजन, रिटन बाय माइकल रोजन. नाउ यू कैन सी द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ दिस पोएम. When a grown-up likely to say this, don't talk with your mouth full. Answer: a mother is likely to say this when वी स्पीक while eating something. एक मदर सोचा जाता है कि बोलती है, जब बच्चा खाते हुए कुछ बोलता है तब ऐसा कहा जाता है. When are you likely to be told this? Say thank you. Answer: when someone helps us or gives us a gift, we are supposed to say thank you. Next, third question. When do you think adult would say this? No one thinks you are funny. Answer: when we are supposed to obey the commands of our elders. Thinking: no one thinks we are funny. The last two lines of the question, next fourth question. The last two lines of the poem are not prohibitions or instructions. What is the adult now asking the child to do? Do you think the poet is suggesting that this is unreasonable? Why? The adult is asking, answer, the adult is asking the child to think by himself what is right and what is wrong. According to the poet, it is unreasonable because a child is after all a child. Next, third question. Why do you think grown-ups say the kind of things mentioned in the poem? Is it important that they teach children good manners and they behave in public? The grown-ups say such things to teach children good manners. Yes, it is important that they teach children good manners and how to behave in public. Okay, I think you understand the very well poem.